In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Firebase Project Step-by-Step Guide 2026. Before we start, a quick but important heads up. Deleting a Firebase project is permanent. It removes your project and its connected resources, like databases, storage buckets, functions, and authentication users. You can't undo it once the process finishes. If there's anything you might need later, export or back it up first, and make sure you have the right permissions on the Google Cloud account to manage and delete projects. Alright, let's begin by heading to the Firebase console and opening the specific project you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check you're in the correct project. Look at the project name and ID to be absolutely sure. It's easy to click into the wrong one if you manage multiple environments like staging and production. If you see the project overview dashboard, you're in the right place. Next, open the general area from the left side of the interface. This is where the project's core settings live. If you don't immediately see General, look for the Project Settings section first, then choose the General tab within it. You'll know you're in the right place when you see details like your project name, project ID, and other high-level configuration information. Once you're on the General page, scroll all the way down until you find the option to delete the project. It's typically placed near the bottom because it's a sensitive action. You might see warnings summarizing what will be removed and how this affects associated Firebase and Google Cloud services. Read these prompts carefully. This is your last chance to make sure you won't lose anything critical and to verify that billing or production traffic won't be impacted unexpectedly. When you're ready, click the Delete option and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to confirm the project name or ID and to acknowledge a few checkboxes that outline the consequences. This confirmation flow helps prevent accidental removals. After you confirm, the project is queued for deletion. Some services may take a bit of time to fully shut down, and you might receive a confirmation email once the process completes. If you refresh the console, you should see that the project is no longer listed after it's finalized. And that's it. You opened your project, went to the general settings, scrolled to the bottom to find, delete, and confirm the removal. If you're following best practices, keep backups for compliance or audits, and consider restricting who can perform deletions in your organization. Thanks for watching, and proceed carefully whenever you're working with destructive actions like this.